Welcome to Mosbach in the beautiful southwest of Germany.
And welcome to the DHBW Mosbach,
home of the International Program in Engineering, also known as IPE.
My name is Andreas Schramm. I am professor at the DHBW and I'm heading the IPE program.
We are Jenny and Verena.
And we organize the IPE so that your arrival and participation are as easy as possible. Once you've applied, organized your travel, and maybe your visa, there's nothing more for you to do. We'll send you 2 info packs before the start of the semester, which will give you far more information on what to expect.
We organize the housing for you as well. The only thing you have to do is fill out the housing requirements on the online application, so you can live together with other international students during the semester.
Our classes are small with only 30 students from different engineering backgrounds, half the students from the DHBW and the other half are international students. Interactive teaching, group work and presenting your ideas are all part of the program. Our faculty are also from around the world and you'll get to know them well during your stay.
Our labs are state-of-the-art. The main focus of the IPE is Industry 4.0. We even have a dedicated laboratory for that, which you can attend. IPE has a preset list of courses. You don't have to enroll for individual courses. It is already done. And for whatever level of German you want to attend, we have German classes. So it's also suitable for absolute beginners.
Sometimes students are scared about making friends, but we have a solution for that. We organize a lot of excursions, such as canoeing, wine tour, or the Hanover Fair. By living and having fun together, you can build lifelong friendships with students from all over the world.
We organize a buddy for you. This is a German student who will help to answer all of your questions before and during the semester. A student tutor will also help you with things like opening a bank account or registering at City Hall. We'll send you details of all of your classmates before the semester begins so you can start to make friends straight away. The IP team is always available to help you to answer any questions or give you any other assistance that you might need.
Feel free to contact us. We look forward to welcoming you here in Mosbach.
Hopefully, you got a first impression of our IPE program. And we are really looking forward for your application. So hopefully see you in the next IPE program. Bye everybody.
Best thing about the IP program is that IP program is very well organized program, and before you came here, they will prepare everything for you, like accommodation or excursion program or buddies, and the communication with buddies and the people who are responsible from IP is really easy and comfortable, and I felt really secure before I came here.
Most of us live in the international house close to the campus and the city center. It's organized by the DHBW, and all the other students usually gather in the evening for parties or eating also there. We have a modern kitchen, a modern bathroom, and the rooms are really comfortable.
I strongly recommend the IP program. Our program is just 3 months long, but in 3 months I have gained things that I couldn't acquire in Turkey. Imagine a program where you can socialize, as well as a place where you can improve yourself with technical lessons and teamworks.
So buddies are pairs of one DHBW student and one exchange student, and we as the DHBW students try to make it more easy for the exchange students to settle in Mosbach and try to be there for any kind of questions every time.